Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for those who are new, you're welcome to this investment space. Today, I want us to talk about cryptocurrencies. In my previous video, I discussed about what you need to know before getting started with cryptocurrencies and my experience while using cryptocurrencies. So, from that video, I got a question. People asked me, how do I buy my first cryptocurrency? And that is the reason why I'm doing this video, to, to take you step by step on how to buy your first cryptocurrency. So remember, this is what have worked for me. I'm recommending what is working for me or what I've been using while buying cryptocurrencies. And I know there are other methods or other exchanges or other platforms that you can buy cryptocurrencies from, but this is what have been working for me, and I believe it's going to work for you. So I'm going to take you step by step through Binance. Binance is an exchange, and it has a lot of features that you can use after buying your first cryptocurrency. Things that you can do after buying your first cryptocurrency, such as investing, and that is staking, where you get more current coins, more cryptocurrency from whatever you have. This is like the way banks work. Where you invest your money and you get some interest, these exchange also have that. You can earn, that is, you can save, you can hodl, you can trade, and we have different types of tradings, and I will show you that. We will go through that and all these other features that are in this market. But the main reason why I'm doing Binance is because I am in Kenya, and in Kenya, the banks do not allow you to do credit or debit card cryptocurrency transactions. So the only way you can buy cryptocurrencies where you're in Kenya is through peer-to-peer market. Peer-to-peer market is where you buy directly from a person who is listed in this exchange. So you're not buying from the exchange itself, you're buying from a person. That person can be in your country, and we have a lot of people who have listed themselves as buyers and sellers in this market. So the only thing that you need to do is just to go in this market and filter people in your country or people who have your method of payment, and you can buy and sell to these people. This market is 24/7. You can buy and sell at any time you want, and you can buy at any place you're in. Whether you're in Kenya, whether you're abroad, wherever you are, you can buy your cryptocurrency, and be sure that you're going to find a person in your country selling or buying this cryptocurrency and using the same method of payment as you are. We have different types of methods of payment. Like we have in Kenya, we have M-Pesa, we have bank transfers, and we have credit cards. You can buy and sell using credit cards in other countries, but in Kenya and maybe some of African countries, you cannot do that. So the only way that you can buy is in peer-to-peer market, and that is why I'm going to show you peer-to-peer market. And it doesn't matter where you are. Even if you're in a country that allow credit all the debit card transactions, you can also use the peer-to-peer market. So we are going to be buying USDT. USDT is a stable coin. It's pegged on dollar. It doesn't fluctuate much. It's not like other cryptocurrencies like ETH or Bitcoin, which the prices of these coins, they fluctuate a lot. So USDT doesn't fluctuate. It's $1. It's constant. It's $1. If it goes beyond that, it doesn't fluctuate. It is $1. The only difference is that when you're buying in Kenya shillings, you are going to find that maybe a difference in prices, just because the price of dollar in Kenya shillings changes, and that's the only way USDT is going to change, but it doesn't change much. So it's a very good coin to get into the market with, because it means that whatever you're going to buy or whatever amount you're going to use, it doesn't change much. And then from there you can buy your preferred coin using USDT in this exchange. In Binance, they have an option for you to convert from one coin to the other, and it's free. So it's very easy. I'm going to take you step by step through Binance, so make sure that you follow the steps. And happy investment. Comment below if you have any question, and I am going to do a video for you if at all you have a question about maybe Binance or any other question about cryptocurrency. So let's get into it. Let's buy our first cryptocurrency.